Today we're working on a 97 Ford F350 with a 7.3 Powerstroke. Customer came in complaining that there was some oil on the floor in his garage. He wasn't quite sure where it was coming from. He asked us to bring it in and take a look at it. We lifted it up for him, took an inspection on the vehicle. We noticed that there's quite a bit of oil coming from the side of the oil pan. Not up where the oil pan bolts to the block, but actually on the side of it. There's quite a bit of rust in that area. And with our past experience, we know that Fords do have a little bit of an issue with the oil pan rusting out. We advised him that we needed to replace the oil pan to take care of the oil leak. We quoted him the price. He said to go ahead and do it. We got started on it. As you can see, it's kind of an extensive process. We have to pull the transmission out, lift the engine up, remove the old oil pan, clean the gasket surfaces off, install the new oil pan with new gaskets, making sure everything is going to seal up correctly, put the vehicle all back together. We let it sit overnight normally with the new gasket material to make sure that it's got plenty of time to cure and provide a good seal with the new oil pan itself. We always put a new dipstick tube in because those are typically rusted out as well. We got that all done for the customer. Let him know that after sitting overnight there was no oil leaking. Assured him that we were very confident that the oil dripping issue was resolved. He was very happy. Called us next week to let us know there was no oil in his garage. He was very pleased with the repair. If you've got oil dripping from your car and you're not exactly sure where it's coming from, we'd love to take a look at it for you. So please feel free to give us a call, and we look forward to seeing you at the shop. Please check out our other videos on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to it, hit the like button, and ring that bell. We really look forward to reading your comments.